Alright guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to upload your game to Google Play Console. And also if you have in-app purchase in your game, I'm going to show you how to set it up, how to add the billing library into your project. So without wasting time, let's get started. So first thing, let's go to Google Play Console. I'm already there. So all you're going to do is like create new apps. Okay, so we're going to type the app name here. So let's see, let's call it, I'm going to call my philosophy. Okay, and then I'm going to choose English, Canada English. And now if you have a games, you can click on games, but I'm gonna click on app because mine is an app and it is free. So let's create the app. Something is missing. Oh yeah, so we need to check these boxes. Okay, so create apps. Okay, so now first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna set up the app. Okay, we're gonna click on view task. Okay, so I'm going to click on app access. All functionality is available without special access. Yeah, I'm gonna click on this, and then this is saved. Now, once this is done, you have to go back to dashboard. You can either click on this one or you can click on this one. It's the same thing. So if you have ads in your game, you need to click on this one. If you don't have ads, you click on that one. So save, and then go back to dashboard. And the next thing is the content. Let's start game. If yours is a game, you can check this one, but mine is not a game, it's an app. So I'm gonna click on this one and go next. I forgot to put the email address, so I'm gonna put my email address here, RenGame380. Okay, so we're gonna go next. This is where you're gonna need to answer these questions. That's going to be based on your app or game. So based on what you have in the game, so you'll know how to answer this. So I'm gonna click no for this. No. Does the can access from the app. This is a no for me. Does that focus on promoting or selling item activities? Does that? No for me. Does the app allow user to purchase digital good? Now, my apps has in-app purchase, so I'm gonna click yes for this one, and then I'm gonna click no for the rest of them. Actually, it is yes for this one, so I'm gonna click yes. So and then save. After that, I think I don't know why you keep on doing that, or maybe I just missed it. I missed this one. Does the app share the user location? I'm gonna say no, because it's just a book that I have. But if your app, is going to share people the user's location, so you have to click yes. So I'm gonna save this, and I'm gonna go next. Okay. All right, and I'm going to submit this. After submitting it, you can go ahead and click on dashboard. So next thing we have here is the target audience. So click on that. I'm gonna click on these three here, and then Kuja store listing on intentions now, and then here I'm gonna save this. Okay, so let's go to dashboard. Okay, now for the data safety, this is new. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna get out of this project. I'm gonna go to one of my apps, and I'm going to copy my privacy policy. All right, so I'm gonna go back to the app, which is philosophy, and I'm gonna go to my okay, I did not save, I guess. Is your app a news app? No, it is not. And then let's go back to the dashboard. Okay, so for the COVID, my app is not publicly available. Okay, so go to dashboard, and then data safety. So this is where I'm gonna use my privacy policy here. Next. No. Okay, privacy policy stays. Oh man, I forgot to add the privacy policy. Let's add it. Actually leave. Okay, start, and then I'm gonna add my privacy policy here. Paste it there, and then save. And then we'll go back to dashboard, data safety. Next. No. Actually, do I have? I don't think I do, but yeah. And then save. Okay, so dashboard. Okay, so now this is good. So we have these two. Right, so we're gonna select okay, it's an app, and mine is a, but I'm gonna choose book. You can choose whatever you want based on your app. I'm gonna type book here. I'm gonna click on this here. Okay, so now I'm gonna put my email. And then I'm going to save that. Okay, so next thing that you want to do here is go to dashboard. Now for this part, now you have to have everything ready, like your pictures, your icon, and you know everything, and you need a video as well. So if you don't have them ready, so you do that first and then come back to this part, because if one of them is missing, you won't be able to save. So yeah, so let's continue here. Okay, great. So next thing you're gonna do is upload the app icon. So this is what people going to see on the App Store. So let's go to this folder here. So I got my pictures ready. So here, let's start with the icon. Where is it? It's right here. And let's see. This is my icon right there. And there you go, which is 512 by 512. And let's go to the feature graphic. I mean, I don't even know. I just like choose a different picture and put it there. And this one has to be 1024 by 500. Yeah, I mean, it's pretty easy like to make when you're using Figma. Now for the video, you have to make like a little video and then upload it to YouTube. And then after that, you can copy the share link, and then you just drop it there. So I'm gonna go to YouTube here, and then I'm gonna go to my channel, and I believe that's the video. Yeah, this is it. So I'm gonna copy the link, and then we go here, and then we just paste it there. That's good. So now I'm gonna add the tablet's pictures. Okay, I'm gonna drop these guys here. Oh, that's fun. Let's get the fun one. Oh, we can get the tablet first. Let's get the tablet. Drop them here. And then we're gonna use the same one for this part. 10 inches, and then we're gonna go to a font here. Let's font. I'm gonna take those one here. Drop them in. Okay, and that's it. So now I can save. As you can see, the save button is blue. I can save now because I have everything. And alright, okay, great, perfect. Okay, so now that we're done with this, now if you want to go to internal testing, you can come here, and then you're gonna need to add your file. Okay, so now this is where Buildbox comes. So we're gonna go to Buildbox, and let's see here. Okay, so first thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to File and then Project Settings, and okay, so I need to add my license key here. So I'm gonna go to Google Play Console, and I'm gonna go all the way to monetization, and then I'm going to copy the key and then drop it in Buildbox. There's that there. Okay, this is good. And I have version code 1, game version 1. Let me check if I have, okay, add box is there. I can say okay. Okay, so that's good. So one thing that I need to check here just before I go, it's my in-app purchase, because like in Google you cannot add any letter. I wouldn't say any letter, but like capital letter, I think. This is good. Currency 2, there is no letter, and this is an icon. Okay, so next thing I need to make sure there is no letter is the remove ads. So okay, so there is no letter, so that's fine. So now let's see here. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to the atlases, and then I need to, every time I remove these like 1,000 times, but they're still there. I don't know why. And I save after that. So I'm gonna save. I know they're gonna come back, but it's always good. Okay, so now we're going to export this to Android. Okay, let's claim this. When you're dealing with AdBlocks, you always have to claim your bundle ID. On Android, I'm gonna say version 1. I'm gonna put that on the desktop. Save. Okay, cool. Let's minimize Buildbox and let's minimize Google Play Console and close this. So this is it. So this is the. So we're going to open this and go to Build Gradle. Double click. It's gonna take a minute before it loads up. Okay, great. So now this is something that you need to have, especially if you have in-app purchase. So you're gonna need to add your billing library. So yeah, so this is where you go. You go to the Gradle script. You click on that, and then you find the build.gradle, and this one right here. You double click on it, and then you go all the way under right here, and then you press enter, and then this is the code. Okay, you're going to paste. I'll try if I can leave the code under the video, but yeah. So you go here. This code, or you can just type it in, but like it's easier for me because I have like multiple apps, so I have to, I don't have to keep on typing it. I can just like copy and paste. So yeah, so you just copy that and then go to Android Studio, and then you paste that here, there, and then after that you can go to app manifest, and then you go right here under the version name, and let's do that here, and then let's go back. I'm gonna go back to my email and get the second code. This one right here, you copy it, and then paste it there. Paste it right here, and then you need to sync. Okay, so now this is done. So now you'll be able to add in-app purchase in Google Play Console, like if you have in-app purchase. Because if you don't have this in, you won't have the options to add your in-app purchase. So now we're gonna go to build, and then generate this sign. Generate the APK. So you don't have to go with this. So this is what Google, requires you to get, and just click next. So I'm going to create new since this is a new app. So let's create new, and we're gonna click on that icon right here, and then right here you're gonna type the name of your apps or the game. So mine is, I'm gonna put, since this is a test, I'm gonna put philosophy, and then I'm gonna click, this is where I want to save it in application, so I'm gonna save it there. Okay, one is already exist. Okay, let's cancel that, because I was trying to do it before with that name. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just put Philo instead. Let's save. Okay, this is good with Philo. Okay, so this is where you're going to type your password. I'm sure you already know how to do this, but yeah, so you're gonna type your password in, and then confirm your password. I'm gonna leave this like that. The alias, I'm gonna leave it like that, and then put another password. And then make sure that you write this down, because you don't want to forget this, because that happened to me once and I couldn't update my games. So I actually have to contact like Google support to help me with that. Yeah. And then you can put, I'm going to put the name here. Okay, so now this is done. Let's click OK. Hope there's no error. That's good. Alright, I'm going to remember. Okay. Next. Okay. Click on this and then finished. So now it's gonna take a minute to build the AAB file. Alright, so let's locate the AAB file. Locate. Okay, so this is it right here. Let's minimize this and this. I like to put my AAB file right here. Let's close this, and so now let's go back to Google Play Console, and we're gonna go to production. So where is production? Right here. and then we're going to upload the AAB file right here. Okay, so the AAB file, drop it here. Good. Let's. It's gonna take a minute. I'm gonna type first release, and then okay, release name is philosophy. Okay, great. Okay, awesome. So this is good. This is great. Now, let's save. Okay, review release. Let's review the release. Should I review it now? Okay, let's go in a product. Let's see if everything is good. It's all the way down here. Okay, so great. So now because we implemented, we added the code, so we have the create product here. So now you can create your product. Okay, so what we're gonna do here, we're gonna create first thing. Yeah. Okay, so let's go to Buildbox and my in-app purchase. This is my first currency here. Double click on it. It's $1.39, and this is the purchase. This is where we put the code. So I'm going to copy the code here. Copy, and then we're gonna go back to Google Play Console, and then we're gonna paste the code here, there, and then we're gonna name the product. I'm gonna call that currency. I'm gonna call it currency 1, and then description. I'm gonna just type game currency, and then I'm gonna set the price to $1.39. Okay, I think that's what it was. Let's check again to make sure. Okay, $1.31, and then let's go back to there and apply. Activate. Okay, this is weird. It'll use it to purchase more than one of this product. Yeah. So create, and then this time, let me see something on here. Okay, so now let's do for currency 2. Let's copy that, and the price is $2.79, and then we're gonna go to Google Play Console back, paste that there, and then let's call this currency 2, and description game currency. Okay, set the price $2.79. Okay, apply. I still can't. Huh, this is weird. Considering that I've done this just like a few minutes ago and it worked. Okay, save. Let's activate this. Okay, activate. And then go back again. Let's create and the last one, which is the ad. So go back to Buildbox, and this time I'm going to do the ads. So the ad is this. Copy. Go to product. Paste that there. Name. It's ads. Let's just say remove ads, and then remove ads, descriptions. I'm gonna say ads remover. Okay, this one I don't need to press this because it's ad remover. I don't have to keep on buying it. Let's set price to, how much was it? I don't remember checking. Well, $1.39. Okay, great, $1.39. I'm gonna put $1.39, and then apply. Okay, so save. Okay, so now that we save that, and then let's activate it. Okay, this is good. So now your in-app purchase, you can put as many items that you want. So we're gonna do these 3. So we did the ads and then 3 currencies. Okay, so now what you can do, you can test that. So what you do, you go to internal, no, not this one. so many things here. Okay, this is internal testing, so you can go here. Okay, so you can test that. Tester. So I already have a list, but if you don't have your list yet, you can go and create a list. Now I had a huge problem with this before. So I would put the list of the name here, and then the email, and then I would like click like, and the save changes was never blue. It was never turned blue. And what I needed to do, I took like a year like to figure this out. You have to actually press enter in your, if you're using or if you're using Windows, and return if you're using a Mac, to get this to turn blue, because I've been clicking like left click, and it wasn't working. So this is where you do it. You put the names and the emails with comma, and then you press enter, and then it will just create it for you. So once this is done, okay, so you click this, and then let's put an email here for feedback. Okay, and then so you click save. So once this is done, so you can either copy the link, okay, and then you email the link to you, and then you download it on your phone, or you can just send it through here. And then since you already have the file, so you just go to your library and then click on that bundle ID, and then yeah, so that's it. And then we're going to say we're gonna say first released. Okay, first released, and then let's save this. Boom, and then we can release that for review. Great, and then let's start roll out. Okay, great. So now this is for internal testing. Now you can like copy the link, and then you can either email it to you, or you can send it directly to you and download it on your phone. And yeah, so here, so this is the link. You can email it to you, and then you download the apps on your phone. So once you check everything is good, your in-app purchase is working perfectly fine, so you can go ahead and roll out, and publish your app on the App Store. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. I will see you soon.